We're at the ferry now, and I'm trying to find a baby change for my little daughter. I'll need to find one, but that's ferry. I think we found a toilet. It's literally here. Alright, here you go. Yeah, we had the ferry to Calais, and I need a baby changing room for my little daughter. Found it. Alright, so we just arrived in Calais, and we about to go, as you can see, full with cars, and I believe we'll probably drive in. So yeah, stay with us. So we just arrived at the location. We will be staying at my wife's sister. She lives somewhere down here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna post another video tomorrow.